Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discussing about transition and inner transition elements. The subtopic is preparation of potassium permanganate. The potassium permanganate is one of the transition element of the compound, which is used for very good oxidizing agent. It is derived from one of the important permanganic acid. The formula for permanganic acid is HMnO4. The structure of permanganic acid is the central metal atom manganese. It has 3 double bond O and a single bond OH. This is structure of manganic acid. It is replaceable one hydrogen atom during the hydrolysis or electrolysis. So it is act as a acid. So now important topic, preparation of potassium permanganate. There are so many steps are there. The first one, the conversion of pyrolusite to potassium manganate. Formula for pyrolusite MnO2 and formula for potassium manganate K2MnO4. Very first step, you see students, the conversion of MnO2 to K2MnO4 is a pyrolusite formula and the potassium manganate. The 2 moles of pyrolusite is treated with the base alkali, is undergoes oxidizing process with the help of very good oxidizing agent or KNO3 or K2CO3 or KClO3, potassium chloride. They are used for very good oxidizing agent. In the process is we get potassium manganate. This is a green color substance. Green color substance are produced during the first step, the conversion of pyrolusite to and potassium manganate. Second step, the oxidation of potassium manganate to potassium permanganate. The potassium manganate green color substance is treated with water to give potassium permanganate and 2 moles of KOH and hydrogen gas. The next step undergoes 2 process generally. The chemical oxidation step, another one electrolytic oxidation. Now 2 moles of potassium manganate is treated with ozone to give potassium permanganate with base 2 moles of KOH. The ionic reactions are given below. The manganate ion treated with ozone with water to form MnO4 minus and 2 moles of OH is 2 OH is nothing but is derived from KOH and with water with oxygen also here and potassium manganate treated with chlorine to give potassium chloride and potassium permanganate. The ionic reaction of this one MnO4 2 minus plus Cl2, what we are getting, the 2 moles of chloride ions are obtained. Next topic, electrolytic oxidation. Electrolytic oxidation of potassium permanganate. You see here 2 electrodes in the vessel, present in the vessel. The ion cathode Fe, that is a cathode, and nickel anode. Nickel acts as a anode here. In the presence of the vessel, one of the electrolyte dilute alkali solution, example KOH or potassium hydroxide. Here in this side, potassium manganate solution in the electrolytic solution. We are passed through the electric current in the vessel. It undergoes that these type of reactions are occur. The potassium manganate ion undergoes electrolytic reaction to give the potassium ion cation and manganate ions are obtained. This is green color substance. Water undergoes hydrolysis or electrolysis reaction. H plus ion and OH minus ions are replaceable reaction. Now the MnO4 2 minus ion is converted into MnO4 minus, which means potassium manganate ion is converted into permanganate ion. Potassium permanganate ion. We are easily understand in the reaction. Green color potassium manganate ion, purple color is a permanganate ion in the electrolysis reaction. The two hydrogen ion gain of 2 electrons, hydrogen gas evolved from the electrolysis reaction. The purple color of the solution is concentrated by the evaporation of and the forms potassium manganate permanganate ion on cooling the crystal. Next, the physical properties of potassium permanganate. The dark purple color crystal and melting point of potassium permanganate is 513 Kelvin. It is a sparingly soluble. Sparingly means partially soluble in cold water, but fairly soluble, which means completely soluble in hot water. Okay, students. Next topic is the structure of permanganate ion. The central metal atom manganese connected with the 4 oxygen atom here. They are exhibited tetrahedral geometry. Here 4 oxygen atom connected with the central metal atom manganese, they are exhibited tetrahedral geometry. The Mn7 plus as sp3 hybridization. We already know that manganese atomic number 25. The D shell has 5 electrons, 4s has 2 electrons. Removal of the 7 electron from the valency shell means they are undergoing the hybridization. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital involving the hybridization. Finally, we are getting sp3 hybridization. So, students, it is very important. One more topic. This is one more topic. The manganate ion exhibit tetrahedral geometry and hybridization, sp3 hybridization. Very important one. Next topic is the chemical properties of potassium permanganate, KMnO4. First, action of heat. The potassium permanganate undergoes heating process at 200 degrees Celsius to give potassium manganate. This green color substance. This one purple color substance. And manganese dioxide and oxygen gas evolved. Next topic is action of concentrated sulfuric acid. The potassium permanganate is treated with a cold condition, which means dilute H2SO4 to give Mn2O7 and potassium bisulfate and water molecules are obtained. Here the manganese Mn2O7 undergoes heating process to give manganese dioxide and oxygen gas evolved. The same potassium permanganate is treated with concentrated potassium permanganate treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to give manganese sulfate and potassium sulfate, water molecule and 5 moles of oxygen evolved. The next very important topic, the oxidizing property in neutral medium. No acid, no basic, which is neutral medium. The MnO4 is treated with water at electrolysis process and 3 electrons gained from the electrolysis process. It's converted into MnO2 plus 4 moles of hydroxide ion. The MnO4 is treated with hydrogen sulfide is conversion. The hydrogen sulfide is converted into sulfur. Here MnO4 permanganate ion treated with hydrogen sulfide. Here manganese dioxide and sulfur and 2 moles of hydroxide and water are obtained. Next one, here bisulfite ion treated with manganate ion is converted into sulfate is converted into sulfate ion and MnO2 and hydroxide ions are obtained. Next, oxidation process with alkaline medium. MnO4 is gain of electron, it's converted into manganate ion. Manganate ion treated with water is converted into manganese dioxide and base and excess of oxygen. This is a evidence for the oxidizing property in alkaline medium. MnO4, which is permanganate ion, is treated with water and gain of 3 electron is converted into manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxides are obtained. Okay, the next Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent is cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate, is also known as Bayer's reagent, which is used for alkene is converted into diol. Here students, alkene, example for alkene CH2 double bond CH2, which is Bayer's reagent. It undergoes oxidation process. Now H2O plus O to give what? CH2OH and CH2OH. This is diol. Is another specific name glycol. Here ethylene is converted into ethylene glycol by Bayer's reagent. This reaction is one of the helpful for test for unsaturation. The next topic is oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acid medium. Now these are the example for or the evidence for the oxidizing property in acid medium. MnO4, that is permanganate ion in acid medium. H plus is nothing but acid medium. With gain of 5 electron is converted into manganese 2 ion and 4 moles of water molecule. Generally, the permanganate ion is treated with ferrous oxidation number +2. The ferrous salt is converted into ferric. The ferrous ion is converted into ferric. This is oxidizing power, oxidizing nature. So permanganate ion treated with ferrous salt in acid medium, it's converted into ferric salt, 2Mn2 plus ion and 10 moles of Fe3 plus and 8 moles of water obtained. The next, same permanganate ion, potassium permanganate ion, is treated with iodide ion in acid medium, is converted into 2 moles of Mn2 plus and iodine molecule, 5 moles of iodine molecule is obtained with 8 moles of H2O. The next evidence for the oxidizing property of permanganate ion, MnO4 plus 5 moles of oxalate ion, which means COO minus and COO minus, is treated with acid medium. It gives 2 Mn2 plus and 10 moles of carbon dioxide and 8 moles of water obtained. The next evidence, the permanganate ion treated with sulfide ion in acid medium is converted into 2 moles of Mn2 plus and sulfur. This is sulfur and 5 moles of sulfur and 8 moles of water obtained. Next one, the permanganate ion treated with nitrites ion in acid medium is converted into nitrates. the 2 Mn2 plus and 5 moles of NO3 and 3 moles of H2O. Next one, the K1O4 is treated with sulfuric acid with ethanol, alcohol. That is one of the alcohol. The alcohol converted into aldehyde, 3 moles of aldehyde, K2SO4. This is potassium sulfate and manganese sulfate, and 5 moles of acetaldehyde and 8 moles of water obtained. Here, alcohol is converted into aldehyde. This is one of the evidence for the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate. Next one, potassium permanganate treated with sulfite ion in acid medium is converted into 2 moles of Mn2 plus and 5 moles of sulfate ion with 3 moles of water. Students, do you understand? This is example for or evidence for the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acid medium during the oxidizing reaction. The next important topic is uses of potassium permanganate. The potassium permanganate generally very good oxidizing agent. This is evidence for oxidizing agent. The treatment with next one, the treatment with skin infection and fungal infection of the food. It is very important. One more question. In the water industry, to removal of iron and hydrogen sulfide, removal of iron and hydrogen sulfide from the well water. It also very important. One more. The Bayer's reagent we already discussing in the 2 more question in alkaline medium. The Bayer's reagent is nothing but cold dilute alkaline K1O4 is called a Bayer's reagent. It is used for the alkenes converted into diols. It's one of the very good evidence for the unsaturation of alkene. Next, the potassium permanganate is treated with quantitative analysis. For example, estimation of ferrous salt. Ferrous is indicated by Fe2 plus. Ferrous salt, oxalate ion, oxalate COO minus and COO minus, oxalate ion, hydrogen peroxide, iodides. So, in the quantitative analysis, all the ions are estimated by this quantitative method. Which is next topic is very important one. The HCl cannot be used for the making acidic solution. Why? Since it is react with K1O4 solution. For example, 2MnO4 permanganate ion treated with HCl acid medium, HCl, to give 2Mn2 plus and chlorine and 8 moles of water. Similarly, nitric acid also cannot be used since the reaction, it is good oxidizing agent. It reacts with the reducing agent in the reaction. So, in the case, concentrated HCl and nitric acid cannot be used for potassium permanganate. But concentrated sulfuric acid is found to be most suitable the reaction since it does not react. These are react with nitric acid, K1O4 and HCl. But sulfuric acid cannot be react with potassium permanganate. So it does not react with K1O4. This is very important for 1 mark questions. Next important one, equivalent weight of potassium permanganate, KMnO4. So what is the formula for equivalent weight or mass? The equivalent weight of K1O4 is equal to molecular weight of by measured by the gram mole inverse and equivalence factor equivalent mole inverse. This is very important for that to determination of the equivalent mass of or equivalent weight of the potassium permanganate. Now we are calculating the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acid medium. For example, acid medium, permanganate ion MnO4 minus and 8 moles of H plus ion with gain of 5 electrons to give Mn2 plus and 4 H2O. The molecular weight of the KMnO4 by number of moles of electron transferred. Here number of moles, how many electrons are transferred here? 5 electrons. Now molecular mass of potassium permanganate 158, number of moles of electrons 5. Finally we get 31.6 gram equivalent inverse, equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acid medium. How? Once again I am telling about the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acid medium. The molecular weight of the KMnO4 by number of moles of electron transferred. So in this reaction, MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus and 5 electrons transferred to the reaction. We are getting Mn2 plus and 4 H2O. Finally 158 divided by 5 is equal to 31.6 gram equivalent inverse. Next one, the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in basic medium. Formula: molecular weight of the KMnO4 divided by the number of moles of electron transferred to the reaction. You see the reaction, MnO4 minus, here 1 electron transferred to here. Finally we get the magnet ion, permanganate ions here. So 158 for the molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by number of moles of electrons 1. Finally we get 158 gram equivalent inverse. Next one, the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. Formula for equivalent weight: molecular weight of KMnO4 divided by number of moles of electron transferred. Now you see this equation, MnO4 minus plus 2 H2O and 3 electrons transfer the reaction gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. 158 is a molecular weight of KMnO4. 3 means here the number of electrons transferred here. So 158 by 3 is equal to 52.67 gram equivalent inverse. So students, I hope you can understand the class. We will meet next class with another topic. Thank you.